Hello guys, we are the Bike Forge and let me introduce you to our group members, Niole Mark, Marshall John Volter, and Escandor, and to our professor, Dr. Earl Marquez Albina. And for today's video, we will be presenting Arduino Project 2, the SOS beacon, and for the components, we need one 5mm LED, resistor 22R, only one, and two jumper cables, male to male. First, place the LED into the Arduino breadboard section. Make sure the longer leg is on the right and the shorter leg is on the left side. Second, insert one end of a resistor into the same row as the LED's positive leg. Place the other end of the resistor into an empty row on the breadboard. This resistor will prevent the LED from burning out. Third, take a jumper wire from pin D9 on the Arduino and connect it to the free end of the resistor. This will allow pin D9 to control the LED. Fourth, connect another jumper wire from the LED's negative leg directly to one of the GND pins on the Arduino. This completes the circuit. Lastly, open the Arduino IDE, load the SOS Morse code program, and upload it to the Arduino. And this is the actual video of me and my team assembling and writing the code for this Arduino project. It starts by naming the LED pin, LED pin equal 10 semicolon. Pin 10 is chosen because it's a free digital pin that can easily control a LED. Inside setup, pin mode LED pin output semicolon is used. This is important. It tells the Arduino that pin 10 will send signals out, not read them in. The loop function is where the magic happens. It repeats forever so the SOS signal never stops. First, the LED blinks 3 quick times to make the letter S. This is done with a for loop running 3 times. Inside the loop, digital write LED pin high semicolon turns the LED on. Then delay 150 semicolon keeps it for a short time, 150 milliseconds, to make a dot. After that, digital write LED pin low semicolon turns it off and delay 100 semicolon waits before the next blink. Next, there's a short delay, 100 semicolon between letters, so the Arduino knows we've finished the S. Then the LED blinks 3 longer times for the letter O. Another for loop runs 3 times, but this time the LED stays on for 400 milliseconds. That's a dash in Morse code. The pauses between these blinks are still 100 milliseconds to keep the timing consistent. After another short letter gap, the code repeats the 3 quick blinks for the last S. Finally, there's delay, 5000, a 5-second pause before starting over. This makes the SOS signal clear and easy to recognize. The reason it's written with 4 loops is to keep the code short and organized. Instead of writing the blink commands 9 separate times, the loops handle the repetition automatically, making the program easier to read and change later.